Micron Technology stock is up nearly 700% in just 1 year, and its market value has now crossed $840 billion. The company is suddenly becoming one of the biggest winners of the AI boom. But here's the real question for investors. Is Micron still an opportunity, or has the market already priced in too much future growth? So, in this video, let's break down Micron's business, understand why is this stock exploding, and whether this AI rally still looks sustainable for long-term investors. Micron Technology is one of the world's largest memory chip manufacturers. The company mainly produces DRAM and NAND memory chips, which are critical for AI servers, cloud computing, and data centers. In simple terms, companies like Nvidia build AI processors, but those processors also need extremely fast memory systems to handle huge amount of data. That is where Micron becomes important. Right now, the biggest demand driver is AI infrastructure. As companies build large AI models and data centers, they need more advanced memory and storage solutions. Micron's latest products, including HBM4 memory, PCIe Gen 6 SSDs, which are designed specifically for these AI workloads. This is why investors now see Micron as major supplier in global AI ecosystem. The rally has been extraordinary. Micron gained 38% in just 1 week, nearly 84% in 1 month, and about 690% over the past year. But investors should understand something important. The market is not only reacting to current earnings, but it's also pricing in future AI demand. Industry estimates suggest hyperscaler company could spend more than $1 trillion on AI infrastructure by 2027. If that happens, demand for advanced memory chips could remain very strong for years. This is also improving Micron's profitability outlook. The memory industry works in cycles. When demand rises faster than supply, memory chip prices increase sharply. Right now, advanced DRAM and NAND chips are in tight supply, which means Micron can sell products at higher price. For investors, that directly translates into stronger margin and better earning potential. Micron is also improving manufacturing efficiency through advanced chip technology, allowing the company to produce more memory at lower cost. Higher selling price combined with better efficiency is the biggest reason behind the stock's sharp rally. Despite the strong momentum, there are still important risks. The biggest concern is the valuation. At over $840 billion, Micron is now trading at levels that assume AI demand will stay extremely strong for years. If AI spending slows even slightly, the stock could face sharp correction because expectations are already very high. Competition is another major risk. Micron competes directly with Samsung and SK Hynix, and together these companies controls most of the global DRAM market. While that gives pricing power, it also means competition in technology and production remains intense. Another important factor is cyclicality. Historically, the memory chip industry has gone through boom and bust cycle. When supply becomes too high, memory prices can fall quickly, which hurts profitability. That means current growth may not continue at the same pace forever. Micron also needs massive investment in manufacturing and research to stay competitive in AI memory technology. If costs rise faster than demand, future margins could come under pressure. Micron currently looks like one of the strongest AI infrastructure companies in the semiconductor sector. The company is benefiting from real demand growth in advanced memory and storage products, and its position in AI hardware gives it strong long-term relevance. However, the stock has already risen very aggressively, and much of the future optimism now appears priced into the valuation. For long-term investors who believe in AI infrastructure spending will continue growing rapidly, Micron may still look attractive as high-growth technology business. But investors should also remember that the memory industry is highly cyclical and competitive, which can create sharp volatile even for strong companies. Overall, Micron looks like a powerful AI-driven business. But the sustainability of the rally will depend on whether the future earning growth can continue matching the stock market's very high expectation. If you enjoyed this stock analysis, Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more detailed breakdown on global stocks. Comment down below what's your take on this stock. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.